Hello, if you are wondering if there is Game Turbo available on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then the answer is partially yes. Although this is not called Game Turbo, there is some sort of game performance boost on this device. So we can open the gaming hub in order to find some settings. So if we tap on more over here, okay, let's update the app first. Alright, so after the update, the bottom things are gone, so now we can tap on these three dots in the top right corner. So you want to make sure that this app is actually updated. And over here we can find the game booster, and if we go to the game booster settings over here, we can find some of these options like game optimization, where we can set its performance, standard, or battery saver. And we can also adjust screenshots from games. We can even create some sort of shortcuts, and we can block things when we play games, like we can block notifications, we can block the edge panel, and so on and so forth. So there is some sort of way to increase the performance, let's say, of this device while playing games. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!